Hi, welcome to my craft shed. My name's Alicia, and today I'm very excited because we are gonna make an Easter basket. The only things you'll ever need to make this basket are colored paper, white printer paper, glue, liquid glue, not stick glue, and a pair of scissors, and some markers. And lastly is a balloon. If you want to make a small basket, you want a small balloon. But I wanted to make a bigger basket, so I made a medium to large balloon. So first, take your colored paper, then roughly make 4 vertical lines with a pencil. We are doing this because we want to cut it into 4 strips, like so. For my balloon, I might need 6 or 7 more papers cut into strips. So I'm gonna do that now. Once you've cut out all these strips, you're gonna piece them onto the balloon. I will show you how. After you put glue on the strip, you want to paste it. You want to make sure that the first strip you put over here is going across the bottom where the knot is. And it's going to cover the knot. This will be the handle of your basket. So we're going to take our strip and I'm going to paste it on the other strip. So because this strip wasn't long enough, and then this will make it longer. And like I said, cover the knot. Like this. I know the balloon would want to run away, but be careful. So we're gonna take more strips and paste it along the balloon. I will show you how. See, I have covered the whole balloon except for the top area with the strips. Now you have to keep it overnight undisturbed so the glue can dry. But don't worry, I have already made another one which has been kept overnight so it is dry. And that was the fun part. Take a pin or needle and now we go. See, where's the balloon? It's popped inside, but our structure is still sturdy. Now I'll take out the balloon. It may be stuck, it'll be stuck a bit, maybe. Like this you can try. If some sides are uneven, then you can go ahead and cut it like so. So we want to make it like a basket like this, so we have to cut the sides. But do not cut the handle by mistake. When you cut the edges, it looks something like this. So now you can take any color paper and cut them into thicker, broader strips like this. Then we'll stick them inside the basket, just like I'm gonna do now. You take your glue and you wanna put the glue on your paper. Like this. And then you can paste it inside. Like this. You want to press it against the basket so it can stick properly. I'll just keep on pasting these strips inside until the whole inside is orange. As you can see, the inside is already orange. So now we will repeat the same process outside with white printer paper. You can use scrap paper that you've already used one side of, like this. Remember, for the outside, you don't have to use rectangular strips always. You can use triangles and other shapes, because your goal is to get the whole outside white with no color showing. Look, I've covered the whole basket white, including the handle. If it's unstable, your basket, you can make your hand into a fist and push down into that basket like this, and then it'll become a sturdy base. The last step is to make egg stickers. In order to do this on a paper, you must draw your best egg shape. Then cut it out like this. Then you'll trace it on another paper to make other eggs. And then you can draw different patterns on your eggs. I have already made these patterns on my eggs. Now we'll just stick our eggs on the basket. Now we have completed our basket. The only thing we need is to let it stay and settle overnight so the glue can dry. Right now, it may seem flimsy, but trust me, after it's nice and dry, it's gonna be sturdy, and it will carry the weight of those eggs. I hope you liked this video. This is my first video, so please like and subscribe to this channel so I can do more such activities with you. Bye!